All right, check this out. It's just another Tuesday, right? Headphones in, world out. I'm just trying to survive another day of high school, minding my own business, scrolling through memes while pretending to listen to the lecture. The biggest crisis on my mind is what I'm going to have for lunch. Everything's chill, the sun's shining, birds are probably chirping somewhere. You know, the usual boring stuff. It's one of those days where you feel like you read just a background character in someone else's movie. Nothing ever happens to me. I'm the king of average, the master of blending in. Little did I know, the universe was about to hit shuffle on my life's playlist. And then it happened. Not a zombie apocalypse, but something almost as terrifying. School hallway drama. It starts small. A little shove, a dropped book. But then it gets louder. You know Chad, right? The guy who thinks the gym is his personal kingdom? He's cornered Leo, the quiet kid who's always sketching in his notebook. Chad snatches the sketchbook, pages flying everywhere. My first instinct, look away. Not my problem. But then, my backpack strap gets snagged on a locker, and I stumble right into the middle of it. Like, literally face to face with Chad. He glares at me. You got a problem? My brain just short-circuited. All I could think was, yep, I'm dead. So, Chad shoves me, thinking I'm an easy target. But my body just moved. I stumbled backward, but my foot hooked around his leg completely by accident, and he went down like a sack of potatoes. His friends looked shocked. I looked shocked. Leo looked shocked. Everyone was just shocked. Then Chad gets up, furious, and swings a punch. I yelped, dropped my phone, and as I bent down to grab it, the punch sailed right over my head. It was like a scene from an action movie, but I wasn't trying to be cool. I was just trying not to break my screen protector. He kept coming, and I kept tripping, ducking, and sidestepping, all while trying to pick up my scattered stuff. It looked like I was doing some kind of interpretive dance of clumsiness, but somehow, none of his attacks were landing. My friends on the sideline were starting to get hyped. I could hear them yelling, "Whoa, look at him go." Go where? I was just trying not to fall over. Then comes the moment of truth. Chad's completely enraged. He lets out this huge yell and lunges at me, both hands out, ready to tackle me into next week. Everything slows down. That little voice in my head that usually just worries about exams and social awkwardness suddenly went quiet. For the first time, I wasn't just reacting. I saw it coming. It felt like I'd been playing a video game on easy mode my whole life, and someone just handed me the cheat codes. As he came at me, I just stepped aside. A perfect, simple sidestep. He flew right past me and straight into the open janitor's closet that had been there the whole time. The door swung shut with a final, satisfying click. There was a moment of complete silence. And then, the hallway erupted. Everyone started cheering. My friends rushed over, patting me on the back, calling me a legend. Leo came up, gathered his drawings, and gave me this little nod of thanks. I just stood there, heart pounding, looking at my own hands like I'd never seen them before. Did I just do that? I picked up my backpack, slung it over my shoulder, and started walking away, trying to look cool and mysterious, like I do this all the time. As I turned the corner, I pulled out my phone, totally out of breath, and immediately Googled, am I secretly a ninja? Yeah, probably not. But hey, at least I have a story to tell now. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more accidental heroism, I guess. See ya.